Hi, I'm Travis Walker with the Law Office of Travis R. Walker. I wanted to provide 6 reasons why it's important to consider hiring a lawyer for an uncontested divorce. And this is an uncontested divorce. This is where you really feel as though you're going into this with an agreement with the other side. Now, again, you're not obligated to have an attorney. You can do what we call being pro se and handle the divorce on your own. However, there are 6 specific reasons why we believe it's important for you to make sure that you're looking at having an attorney involved because of those same reasons. You know, the first reason is that marital settlement agreements are basically a binding legal contract that's going to have the enforceability of a court order. So if that agreement is ambiguous, if it's open to interpretation, if it's got a bunch of issues, then you have a legal contract with ambiguity and a bunch of issues, and you're going to have problems later on. And believe me, I've handled post-dissolution actions. It's not something you want to get involved in. If you wanted to go through the divorce process again or have to go through the court process again, that's what we call a post-dissolution action. Not fun. 2, to protect your legal rights in an amicable divorce, sometimes one party has a little bit more control and power than the other person, a little more persuasion. That's where a lawyer comes in, has an objective point of view to make sure that you're getting the proper representation that you're looking for. To help with the paperwork, there's a number of forms, number of documents. You can actually go to the clerk's office or go to the Supreme Court website, and you can see the forms there, and they're all there for your review and print out and use. But if you have difficulties or challenges, it's good to have a lawyer involved so that we can help guide you through the process. To provide legal advice. There's no one who in the state of Florida other than lawyers who are allowed to give legal advice. So, when it comes to the legal implications, the consequences, the challenges that come with these types of things, it's important to have a lawyer involved to help with the legal advice. 5, to help in negotiations. You're really in the process of negotiating a marital settlement agreement, and if you're going through divorce, you've had probably issues with your partner in the past. And so now you're having to trust them with regards to certain things, and there's going to be talk about handshake deals on the side and everything else like that. And so you need to make sure that you're getting help with your negotiations. And finally, to avoid delays and mistakes. The one thing about pro se is that oftentimes it's on a different docket than the lawyer docket. It's also prone to be mistaken because there's a number of forms and documents that are in and out. And so if you want to make sure it's done properly, one of my major parts of my practice is actually post-dissolution actions where things have gone south since the divorce. And if there's open ambiguity with regards to the marital settlement agreement, that's almost 100% likelihood that you're going to have challenges later on, especially if there's kids involved. So if you have any questions with regards to that, 772-708-0952. Visit us at traviswalkerlaw.com. Love to see if it's something we can help you out with, and have a great day.